Let me share with you today very simple and delicious cold bean skin. Cool and refreshing appetizer. The whole family loves it very much. I will share the detailed practice with you next. First, prepare bean skins for Sanyuan. Cut it in half with a knife first. Stack it up and cut it into chunks. And then finally, we cut the skin into these long strips. The width depends on your preference. About 5 cm. Just like the size of lasagna. After cutting, put it on a plate for later use. Prepare a small section of green onions. Cut it in half first. And then you slice the green onions. If you like green onions, you can cut more. Cut it all and put it in a bowl for later use. Next, prepare a little more vegetables. Washed cucumber. First, slice it up. Then I cut it into filaments. You can also add some shredded carrots or shredded onions. Add different tastes. Cut it all and put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare a handful of cilantro. Cut it into long segments. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Finally, prepare a little more garlic. First, slice it up. Then change the knife and chop it into minced garlic. Put the chopped garlic in a small bowl. Then grab a handful of dried peppers. Splash hot oil on it to create a fragrance. Next, season it. Add a spoonful of salt, a little chicken essence, a drop of sugar to freshen up. Add a spoonful of small grinding sesame oil. Add a little dark soy sauce to improve the color. Add a spoonful of light soy sauce. Add a spoonful of balsamic vinegar at the end. Then stir well with a spoon. Let the seasoning melt. It's very simple. The practical universal cold vegetable juice is ready. Conditioner at home. You can also add a little cooked sesame seeds to enhance the flavor. Stir well and set aside for later use. Next up, pour in a little more water. After the water boils, add a spoonful of salt. Add another spoonful of baking soda and then put. The cut bean skins are poured down and blanched. Flip it with a colander. Let it heat evenly. Blanch the bean skins. It can remove the beany smell. You can make it taste good again. Cook for about 3 or 4 minutes. All bean skins are ready. Next, it's controlled and fish towel. Put it in a cold oven prepared in advance to cool down. After getting cold, the bean skin will be more powerful when eaten. Then start mixing it well. Let it cool down quickly. And then we squeeze it dry again. Put the squeezed bean skins into a large bowl. Add the shredded scallions just cut. Coriander is also added. The shredded cucumber also pours down. Finally, pour down the prepared sauce. Then put on gloves and fully grasp and mix it evenly. That's it. Let's catch it a little longer here. Make all the ingredients fully absorb the aroma of the sauce. It's very simple. The delicious cold bean skins are ready. After mixing well, we can plate it. Such a hot and sour appetizer. Cold bean skins that cool and relieve heat are especially suitable for summer eating, and it's hygienic and clean at home. If you feel good too, just collect it and try it. You won't be disappointed. Well, today's video is shared here. If you like my video, remember to like and follow the message and forward it. See you in the next video. Thank you for your support.